Kraken announcing that it is ceasing staking operations here in the US really rocked the crypto industry. We saw a big pullback in price. It led a lot of others to be uncertain of how the future is going to look, whether the SEC is going to come after other exchanges as well. But Coinbase has decided they are going to fight back. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with what happened, the industry was thrown into heavy shock as the SEC announced that the US-based crypto exchange Kraken had been charged with offering unregistered securities via the sale of its staking as a service program. To settle these charges, the two Kraken entities agreed to immediately cease offering or selling securities through crypto asset staking services or staking programs and pay a $30 million in disgorgement, prejudgment interest, and civil penalties. Now, the Grewal, who's the chief legal officer from Coinbase, came out and said, what's clear from today's announcement is that Kraken was essentially offering a yield product. Coinbase's staking services are fundamentally different and are not securities. So in an attempt to explain this further between the two of them, Grewal said that customers' rewards heavily depend on the rewards paid by the protocol. So Coinbase says Kraken news will not affect their staking program, and sources say they're willing to fight the SEC on this issue. Now it is yet to come out whether the SEC will be pursuing other exchanges or anything like that. I know that they were coming after Gemini for the same thing, and there's likely going to be a list of them that get kind of targeted the same way. Right now, we desperately need some guidance in this area. Crypto staking is an important part of the ecosystem, and to see it targeted at this point is kind of dumb to say the least. You know, there's a lot of countries out there that are embracing, crypto's proof of stake programs, and they are really just offering some sort of guidance to it. This is how the US could actually fall behind in terms of development and progress. But we'll obviously see what happens from that. That's just my opinion. Obviously, everybody's got one, but there should be more that will come out as this continues to unfold. But we appreciate you guys, as always, here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely show your support below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. Stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the ClearCryptos channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.